Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. So today I want to talk to you about this book. This is called the Most Basic Emergency Fund book that saves you $1,000. So basically the easiest way to save 1K. When my friend Celissa released this book, I immediately bought it at the Amazons. Okay. It is so well priced. Check it out for yourself. The link will be down below, but you ain't got to believe me. You ain't got to trust me. Check it out for you. Y'all know I already have the Big Mama, which is the most basic saving challenge for 15K. And now I have the little bitty baby. And I will be doing a top down in just a few to share with you what the inside looks like. So y'all are probably gonna be like, girl, you already have an emergency fund, because I bought it immediately to support a Black owned business. And it works for today's video because it's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth. And I'm so happy to be supporting and shouting out my friend Celissa over at Beautifully Me and You, a Black owned, small woman owned business. I'm not calling you a business small girl, but you know what I'm saying. You're running it by yourself for the most part. But yes, and I was so excited to pick this book up and support her. But as you all know, I just hit my 3,000 emergency fund, peace over panic fund on this channel. So I'm like, girl, you done bought this, but what are you going to do with this book? Before I tell you what I'm going to do with this book, let you see what the pages and what inside looks like. If you already have the original, you might already know how this goes. But if you don't, it's definitely a baby version of that with much smaller numbers. I haven't seen a number over the amount of $8. $8. Yes, you heard me. And stay until the end, so because there's something special. Let's do some size comparisons. We have this one, which is much larger in comparison to the new baby mini one that is saving you 1K, even from the side, from the width of it. Look at that. That's such a difference. You could take this and you can throw it in, and y'all know, if you've been here, y'all know I be using mine. Okay, that's how I got to my 3,000. It works slow and steady, baby, slow and steady. This one is much smaller, can throw it in the bag, no big deal. Okay, carry it with you if you want. Okay, or just tuck it on a shelf. Y'all know I don't like for things to take up too much space because I'm working on decluttering my life. So let's take a look in here and see what Celissa has to say. Saving doesn't need to be stressful or complicated. This book keeps it simple and actually enjoyable. We love that. So the tracker starts here. She had said that one of her subscribers or someone had mentioned that they could use this challenge more than one time by coloring these dots first and saving 1,000. Then they could color the actual book and save 1,000. And I also think that you can do what I did over here and actually put some scratch off dots in front of your challenge and color that and scratch that off again for a third way. So this book can turn from saving just $1,000 to $2,000 to $3,000. Yes, you'd have to purchase the scratch off dots separately, but it is a choice. Okay, so it looks like each section you save $333 in the first section of circles. You save $333 in the second section of squares, and you save $334 in the fourth section. It looks like the only number that is different in the fourth section is you save 46 instead of 45. Normally it's 45 on the second to last page. It's 46 over here. And then yay, you did it. You saved 1,000. So let's take a look at what these pages look like. Very big circles. If you don't like coloring, I suggest you just check the boxes or the circles or the arches off. Cross them off if you want to. Put a sticker in the box. It doesn't matter. It just matters that you save. And so the first page is 20. And as you can see, it's only 1s, 2s, and 3s, and 4s. We start to get a 5 on the second page. And as you go, you'll see like it's mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then as the numbers get a little higher, we've got a 6 on this page. We've got a 7 on that page. I don't think anything goes higher than an 8, which is really nice. We've got 7s. It's the highest number on these pages. Oh, there's that 8. And then we're done. Literally, is that only one page with an 8 on it? That's wild. Yeah, so basically not many pages with 8s at all. And then you kind of start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4. And the numbers just repeat, but the shapes are different. And then after the squares, we have the domes, or I like to call them the arches. And after you finish all the pages, not a thick book, nothing too crazy, you have saved $1,000.
I'm now very, very wealthy.
So you're like, Tara, okay, you've already saved your emergency fund. Why do you have this challenge? Well, I think what I'm going to end up doing is using this as like a emergency fund for my home, but not quite emergency. There are things around my home that I really feel are neglected that I really want to do. Like I want to paint my doors, or I want a new touchless key or thumb key pad to get in my house. I want to change doorknobs. I want a new dishwasher because mine's been broken since the day I've been here. Like there's just so many things that I want for my house that I think this $1,000, and I might do it twice and try to save $2,000 by filling in these circles. I think this is such a genius plan that Celissa always comes up with these wonderful creative ideas. Shout out to you, Celissa, over at Beautifully Me and You. This is such a good product as always. And I just love the concept. You guys know that I know that this challenge was designed for someone that was trying to save their first $1,000 emergency fund. But if you've been around here lately, you know that I just saved $3,000 to my emergency fund, and I'm very happy with my starter emergency fund right now. But I think that's the beauty of this savings challenge, is that as your finance grows, or saving challenges in general, as your finance grows, the challenges can grow with you. You can use them for whatever you want. If you don't have an emergency fund to save for, or 1 month ahead, or whatever, you can be like me and be saving for my home peace fund, something to make my house more peaceful, or things that may come up, or just things that I want to do around my house. And because you guys have been so great, so gracious, and so supportive of my financial journey, I'm telling y'all, y'all are the best. I bought 2. So you know what that means? 1 is for me and 1 I'm giving away. I am so excited. Y'all know they was budget friendly if I bought 2. Okay, so 1 I'm giving away, 1 is mine, and 1 I'm going to give away. And actually, I shouldn't have bought it. I should have just shipped it to you. That one's smart, Tara. And maybe that's what I'll still do. Maybe I'll have that, send this one back and have them ship it to you. But we'll decide on that in a minute. So let's talk about the rules for the giveaway. I'm gonna keep it very simple. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, and down in the comments, let me know what goal you are saving for right now. It could be saving to pay off debt. It could be saving for your emergency fund, a rainy day fund, a 1 month ahead fund. It don't even matter what it is. It's your world, boo. Do what you do. And that's it, you guys. I just wanted to share. I'm excited. Y'all know the shorts will be coming because I really want to work on things in my house. Y'all know lately I've been into my decluttering bag and just trying to get my life together. And my home is so essential to me because the Lord has blessed me with it, and I want to make sure that I'm stewarding it well. Also, y'all, my girl was saying on one of her shorts how this shot up on Amazon, best like books and budgeting. So I'm excited. Let me know if you already purchased her. Let me know if you purchased her down below. Let me know. And if you're just going over to Celissa's channel for the first time, when you check her out in the link in the description, tell her I sent you. Tell her that Tara sent you. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, order to be great. You got to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Happy Juneteenth. I love you. Mean it. Bye. Just babe, what? Wanna just don't want me. Wanna read it on me. To have any. To do this video. Like, what is happening right now? My, on the door, I mean, I've nothing. That's so dramatic.